Hey guys, happy Monday. Or I should say, hey people, happy Monday. I'm trying to be more gender neutral. It's hard, but old habits die hard. Anyway, just wanted to check in. I went out and surprised myself today. Set an intention to do a long run, and I ended up doing 10 miles. What the hell? I know. Very, very unusual for me. I haven't done 10 miles all in one stretch in probably since June, I think. I don't know. Anyway, it's that kind of day. It's the beginning of the week. We got to set intentions. Set intentions for not just goal setting, but set intentions for how we're going to set our energy during the day, how we're going to set our energy with other people, set our energy with how we interact, set our energy with what we give power to, right? So, if we give power to negativity, if we give power to darkness, if we give power to the things that bother us, if we show that resistance, to things that are in the external, then, we're going to get resistance back. But if we make the decision to go into flow state, if we make the decision that we're the architects of our own experience, if we make an intention that we're the architects and the alchemists of what our experience is going to be, then we get that back. So today I decided, I woke up this morning and decided, I really want to get this goal going. I really want to make this this fall training happen, and I've had some issues with my back the last couple weeks, so it wasn't that easy. And I was in my rehearsals last night, and I was talking about intention rehearsals for the workshop, and I thought about it. I'm like, if I really want to manifest this example, if I want to manifest and model this example for people, then I really need to set an intention first thing in the morning to go out and do that thing. Hold on, I'm crossing the street here. Don't cross the street while you're on a live Instagram live. Or maybe you do. I just did. Probably not safe, but I did it anyway. Anyway, setting the intention this morning for me was important. It was an important step to go out and really walk the walk and talk the talk. You have to go out and walk the walk and talk the talk, especially in today, where we have so many triggers out there that we can use as levers to not do the thing that we want to manifest. So much news, so much tragedy, so much negativity, so much unconsciousness out there that we have the problem sometimes that we let that negativity and we let that darkness affect us, and it interrupts our manifestation. So for me, it was important this morning to go out and put it to the test. Do the manifestation. Do the thing that I really need to do to break through these goals and break through to the lessons that I'm trying to teach, and bring that help to you through experience. Because when we're in experience, when we're in a state of authenticity, and we're making things happen, and then we're bringing those lessons to other people, not just through our words, but through our actions, it gives those intentions more power. It gives those actions more power. It gives those intentions more juice, energy-wise. Not just in credibility. We can always express whatever we want and be credible, but are we expressing what we want and actually demonstrating it and putting that energy out there and showing by doing. You know, words only have so much power. Words do have power, but they only have so much power. And intention behind words has a lot of power. But intention behind action trumps words every day of the week. A silent action accomplished reinforces not just what you're experiencing on the inside and showing the world on the outside that you mean business. It actually triggers that manifestation moving forward. It is part of the manifestation process. So taking action is such a key principle that, you know, I'm trying to do better in manifesting. You know, the interesting thing about accountability and being a coach now is when I'm talking about these concepts, and especially when I'm getting ready to do this workshop, it really is it's a test of my own manifestation. So you manifest by manifesting. You manifest. I manifest, and I show what manifesting is by doing it, and then it leads to more manifesting. It's a trigger. It's a trigger for creation. It's a trigger for energy. And you know, where Tony Robbins says, where the focus goes in energy flows, where focus goes, energy flows. That's a true thing. And you know, the power of intention, and if you follow The Secret at all, the reality is you put that energy out there and you get back out of it what you put the intention towards. So for me, creating these courses and doing this work and bringing it to other people and helping them, my path on that in being of service to other people, my path on that being of service to you, my path on that and sharing these little ditties with you, these little runs that I'm doing, that's part of that process. That's how I become a more full and realized version of myself. That's how I manifest the intention. I set the intention and then I'm manifesting the intention, right? So I'm actually becoming the thing that I'm intending to do by doing it. So it's not what you say, it's what you do sometimes. Sometimes it's a little bit of both. And it's a combo of both. When you put that energy towards it, then that's what you get out of it. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you today. I'm really pumped about 10 miles. 10 miles in 2 days away from October? Yeah. So I hope you're having a great week. The workshop will be up very soon, recording right now. I love it, and I hope that you'll go to resettransformrise.com, hit the sign up button, or you can also sign up on Facebook on the Reset Transform Rise Facebook page, and you'll be one of the first people to be able to take advantage of it. Take care. Love you guys. Bye.